Now another way to get instant textures with wax paper. Here's some black. The reason for the wax paper is it doesn't absorb the oils. The oils will just sit on the surface of it. I'll make a mask here to cover over the edges. This is a very imprecise way to apply paint, obviously. Get it nice and wrinkled up and apply it to the surface and just dab at it a few times. Not too many times because you want to keep it rough looking. The gray circles are dry oil paint, opaque gray that I mixed and painted on, allowed to dry. So this will float on the surface of that. And what I'm trying to do is make it look like a rough ball. A sphere with a real textural surface. Now I can lift the mask. Using a clean brush, I can put a few highlights on there. The highlights would probably be scattered around on such a rough ball. To make this more believable, I may want to unify the tones in the shadow. So I mix some black and just drag that over to give a little more of a complete solid gray shadow area. Let's apply this to the painting. So I mixed up some yellow-brown, and just to get some random texture on the ground, I'll use the wax paper. And that's the goal of this stage, is to get that feeling of randomness. These palmettos are growing. Some of them are trampled by the dinosaurs. Some are in light, some are in shadow.